Hello, I'm back. Do you guys like my nails? I got them for October. They are so pointy. I keep stabbing myself. And in case you're wondering, no, I can't do anything. I can hardly zip my pants. But aren't they beautiful? Okay guys, that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about a scrapbook store. Yeah, I know, they still have them. A scrapbook store that I went to. It wasn't in my town. I hadn't even heard of it. It's called Memory Bound, and if you're in Iowa, it's in Ankeny. It's a little bit of ways away from me, and it was awesome in there. You guys, they had so many projects up everywhere. They have classes that you can take. They have a little calendar that you can take that shows like all the classes, and then you go sign up online. So you guys, if you wanted to go to memorybound.com, you could go there and see what I'm talking about. But they had like all the classes that you want to take. They have project samples right there sitting at the front of the store. And oh my gosh, it was just like pure paper embellishment, like everything heaven. So I'm gonna show you just a little tiny bit of what I got, but it's just a little tiny bit of the store. It's not even close to everything that I wanted to get, but this is what I got. So I got some texture paste, and I got these stencils. There are 3 to this pack, and this is what I did with them. This is my first time ever using this, so these are definitely like experiments. I'm doing Halloween stuff, so I kind of wanted that purpley stuff, that vibe. I try to do like an ombre right here. I don't know how well I did. That's some of what I did. And then if you spent $30, then you got this free stamp kit. And it's so cute. I've been using it. They had a little banner up at the front to show like how you could use it. And it had like all of these bigger things on it. So all the big things were stamped onto like a little square, and then it was put onto like a banner piece, like a tag piece, and then it was made into like a little banner that hung off of the front cash register thing. So that was really cute. So I got that for free because I spent $30 or more. Got these huge tags. Look at how thick these are. There's 4 in a package, and then it comes with the reinforcer here too. So I thought these were awesome. I've never seen, maybe I haven't been paying attention, but I haven't seen anything like this in Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But it's probably because I haven't been paying attention. Then they have this paper section and sticker section where it's like different parts of the world. So when I was in the Navy, I went to Israel. So I got some stickers from there. They only had 2 of the countries, I guess like the most popular ones that people go to. So when I get to that, I'll show that. First on my pile is, they had the cutest like school things. You can cut these up, and this is all about 5th grade because I have a 5th grader. You can cut these up, and then here's the back. And then I got 2 preschool ones because I have 2 preschoolers. And then this is what the back looks like. Then I got some stickers that I think are the cutest. These are by Photoplay. I love this paper lunch. And then you flip it over, and here are the cutest little kids. And then lockers. And like some dots on the other side. And these cute school buses with letters on the back. And you guys, these paper prices are basically the same as what they would be at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. This is a preschool one, but I liked this side also. And then the other country that I visited was Spain. So I got that. And then they had this also. And then this is on the other side. It has little tiny mini Spain flags. And then this is real paper. And that's just one-sided. So that is what I got from Memory Bound here in Ankeny, Iowa. It was so fun to go in there, and they do a little crop things, or where you can just go in and craft. You don't have to be like a scrapbooker per se to go in there and craft for not a lot of money. So it is awesome in there, you guys. I could spend all day in there just looking at everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.